If you're a solar professional, you're most likely busy managing a staff, collecting leads, sending emails, running and scheduling appointments, creating proposals, e-signing docs, juggling permits, panels, paperwork, installers, all while trying to keep your customers happy and informed. Okay, breathe. Wouldn't it be easier if all this was automated? Now there's Solar Sales Tracker, the all-in-one software that tracks your solar process from lead to installation. With Solar Sales Tracker, we bring together all the processes you use to make your business function. These processes work intelligently together and are even customizable, so your workflow is seamless. We have a CRM Command Center where you can run your entire business from one dashboard. Milestone alerts, a document builder, PDF uploader, and e-signer. A customer portal where customers can track their installation and sign documents. Virtual whiteboard where you can see your entire business at a glance, not to mention full customization and the best pricing around. And amazing support. Plus, we are forward thinking with tons of future enhancements. Get started today. You'll be glad you did.